Hello, today we're going to review some Asian food from Trader Joe's, including the Trader Ming's pork shumai pork dumplings, the steamed chicken soup dumplings, and the Thai vegan vegetable Panang Curry with jasmine rice. So first I got the pork shumai dumplings, and they come in a package of 9. The soup dumplings come in a package of 6. And you can microwave that in their own package, and then the Panang Curry comes in its own little package like this that you can bring for lunch. I prepared each of them in the microwave. I'm going to try the soup dumpling. Some soup in there, it's pretty good. I'll try to make a shumai. I'm going to put a little bit of soy sauce. Good. So overall, I would recommend these 3 items. They're close to restaurant quality without the restaurant prices, less than $5 each. I would recommend them and get them again. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe for more. Thank you.